Today's word is felicity, which is a nice word. It has two definitions. The first is intense happiness. The second is finding the right words for something. You've probably heard Feliz Navidad, Merry Christmas in Spanish. Feliz, felicity, happiness. You might feel felicity on Christmas morning, surrounded by your family and your friends, everyone's getting along, opening presents, felicity. For the second definition, imagine you're having a fight with a friend. It's getting really heated, you're shouting, you're not really listening, and then your friend realizes what the fight is all about, and she says that really clearly. You can hear it and you settle down. Your friend has expressed herself with felicity, the right words for the situation. So on the GRE, you might see either of these two meanings: felicity, intense happiness, or felicity, finding the right words for something. Subscribe for more Word of the Day videos and check out our other free GRE resources in the description below.